guys, welcome to Pia Unboxing and let's get started. Okay, so दिवाली के पहले ही ना काफी कुछ PR boxes आ रहे हैं, so मैंने सोचा कि जैसे जैसे जो आ रहा है I'll keep showing you. Okay, so first thing जो मुझे आया है वो है ये व्हाइट कलर का टॉप. दिस इज सो प्रिटी. इसका मटेरियल ना बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट है और आजकल ऐसे टॉप्स बहुत चल रहे हैं, तो आप इसके साथ है ना बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी लेयर अप कर सकते हैं और ये इतना सुंदर लगेगा ना. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू वेयर दिस. आई थिंक मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में इसे पहन भी लिया है. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव गॉट दिस ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस गाइज. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one. This looks so nice and इसका material again very soft है और ये काफी stretchy है. So that's a good thing because sometimes जब वो stretchy नहीं होता तो बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे bulge दिखता है, but मैंने already try on कर लिया और ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. This is very pretty. Okay, next up I have got these shorts और इसके साथ मेरे पास एक top भी है. So basically it's a tie and dye set, and already I wore this and the other day everybody was like आपने कहाँ से लिया, so I'm just going to tag these people right here. So these are the shorts, again very comfortable, कपड़ा काफी अच्छा है इसका भी. And this is the top. I absolutely love this one. I can't wait to make my own, so I've ordered the kit also and I'm going to make it very soon. So this is how it looks. It's really pretty and so beautiful. Thank you so much for sending. The material is really bomb and आप इसको casually भी पहन सकते हो, रात को पहन के सो भी सकते हो, whatever you want to do. Okay, next up I have got this box from Whips of Nature and she sent me this Diwali gift. Let me just open it. Okay, stories are going to end, so let me just start them again. Okay, and also मैंने अपनी stories में काफी दिवाली vibe create किया है, you guys can see, and I'm loving it. Okay, so the first thing I've got is this soap. This smells so beautiful. And then I have this candle which says sleep, which I actually got lemongrass and lavender, and trust me, lavender is my most favorite. I love lavender. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm so happy. Then we have these two diyas and जिसके अंदर candles हैं, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है for decor. Really like it. And then there's something to eat. Also we have like two beautiful soaps here. Let me just show you guys. Very pretty. Such boxes can be such a great Diwali gift. So if you want to give to your friends and family, you can reach them out. They're called the... So thank you so much for sending this. Really loved it. Okay, next up I have this. You guys are going to love this. Oh my god, this is so nice. Pajama. So which is really nice. ये ना proper किसी ने stitch किया है, so that's why I really liked it. उसकी stitching भी इतनी अच्छी है. And there's a spaghetti top. Then we have shorts. And no PR unboxing is done without night suit. So I have here, and this one is super good. Yeah, let me just show you. Okay, so basically we have a mask, and then we have pink color. We have a टॉप टू वेयर विद द पजामा. सो बेसिकली आप क्या कर सकते हो ना, आप सबको मिक्स मैच कर सकते हो. आप किसी की शॉर्ट्स का स्पेगेटी शी एंड दिस हेयर बैंड स्क्रंची or maybe to tie everything. I don't know what to do with this, but thank you so much for sending. And I was saying कि आप mix match कर सकते हो. आप notch collar t-shirt को आप shorts का पहन सकते हो, peaches के साथ पहन सकते हो, spaghetti को भी आप ऐसे भी change कर सकते हो. So that is so nice and so thoughtful. Also there was scrunch. Absolutely loved this. Super cute. And one more thing we have inside. Okay, there's another neck piece. Just open it for you guys. Okay. Oh, ये भी ऐसे एकदम layered वाला है. So really pretty. Wow. So now I have some jewelry, and this is from the Tone Setter. Okay, so they have sent me some really nice. Yeah, आजकल की layering up वाली jewelry is doing so well now, and everybody is wearing it. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful यार. इसका quality भी ना बहुत अच्छा है, and I really liked it. Very pretty. Okay, next up we have, oh my god, these are such cute earrings. Okay, So this is how it looks. These are super so pretty. Really liked it. Thank you so much for sending. I have something really pretty to show you guys. These are these beautiful juttis. Look at them. कितनी सुंदर है. Also they fit really well. Very true to size. These are from Cottage Culture and very pretty. They have sent me one more. You guys are going to love it because my sister just loved it. Look at these. So pretty and I really can't wait to wear it. Thank you so much. Now I want to tell you guys that Sigma has launched this combo where you get this blender and you get this angular brush and also a pouch. So I thought I would show you guys because abhi festive season you guys must be buying something, your makeup and everything. So this comes with a pouch, which is a very nice metallic beautiful pink color pouch, and this is the new airbrush they have. Look at this to blend. Thank you so much, and you can try these out. If there's some offer, I'll definitely write it here so that you guys can get some extra off. My sisters too, so this is very cute. Okay, so we have 3 sets. This one is for Shobha. This says Shobha, और पीछे है ना it's written Sachdev sisters, and I really can't wait कि मैं आकृति और Shobha can't wait to click pictures, and thank you so much for sending. I absolutely loved it. And picture again you have Sachdev sisters, and where's Akriti? Okay, it's here. So this is Akriti's, and again picture it says Sachdev. Now I have this huge box, and आज सब कुछ mostly pink ही है. Like this was pink. The nights that I just showed you were pink. Okay, so this is from Nosheen, and she's from Goa, and she has sent me such beautiful things. And the elastic ना बहुत soft वाला है, तो मुझे ऐसे वाले बहुत पसंद है. Really nice, really pretty. Definitely check her page, guys. Amazing stuff. And so I was showing you the masks. This is how they look. This is their Diwali collection, and this looks so pretty. Look at these. Really nice. The quality is very good, guys. It's very impressive. So what? This is actually the autumn collection. The collection shows the change in season and how the leaves change their color from brown to nothing. And look at this. So pretty. Look at these. Guys, you have to check her page. The packaging is bomb, and we have so much inside. Okay, so first of all, she knows a girl can never have enough of scrunchies. So pretty. So these are the masks, and she's also written me a letter. I have included the satin pillow cover so that your hair no longer has to suffer from frizz, and so these scrunchies so that you never run short of them. So true. Okay guys, I will tell you something. So in case you have very frizzy hair या अगर आपकी curly बाल हैं, try sleeping on a satin pillow cover, and trust me आपके hair breakage भी कम होता है. So I have just got this one, and I'm going to try it definitely. So she has sent me this silk pillow cover, which is so nice. इससे आपके बाल में ना, and उसी में you had this thing to cover your hair, like your head. Again, this is satin, so that is very good. You can go on Google and read about this. This really works. Then there's an eye mask. There's also a hairband, medium size one, and with this small little bow. And also this one, which is so pretty. Really like it. I'm just going to try it right away. So thank you so much for sending, and I absolutely loved it. Thank you. Shooting, I found out that I've got something from House of Bling, and they have some amazing beautiful stuff. This layered neck piece, this looks so pretty. I really like this, and let me show you what all I have got. Oh my god, these earrings are so beautiful, and literally they can go up with anything. Like, they're so pretty. Look at these, so pretty. Okay, I have another box. Let me just show you guys. I really like it. Thank you so much for sending. Okay, what else do we have? We have another neck piece. Okay. Wow, look at this. It's got these little butterflies and this is so cute. First thing I got is this beautiful yellow color sari and I really can't wait to wear this. इसमें ऐसे white color के ruffles हैं, yellow and white. It is such a nice vibrant color and looks so pretty. Thank you so much साक्षी, उन्होंने मुझे कितना लंबा सा लेटर भी लिखा है, so thank you so much. Also she sent me these earrings with this and I'm really excited to wear this. I really like it. The material is so nice. Cotton की साड़ी है और काफ़ी अच्छा material है and festive season है, तो of course I will wear it. Thank you so much for sending. I forgot to show you guys something, but I also got few more jewelry pieces, so let me just show you. So these are the beautiful earrings. I really like them. The quality is really nice. The best thing is this. Look at this neck piece. This is so pretty and you can style them in so many different ways. Then I got these earrings which got butterflies and I have two more earrings. So this. And next up, I had this for some Indian wear and it's going to look really pretty. So thank you so much for sending.